Hi, I'm Nikki DeRoest and I'm the clean beauty makeup artist for bareMinerals, and I'm here with my assistant, sometimes model, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley.
You look great.
And we are going to show you how we got this clean beauty look. You have such amazing skin and it will absorb any sort of oil, because we do love kind of a dewy look, but we never want it in the center of the face. I've been really into the BarePro foundation lately. I don't think we've used this on you yet, so I'm excited to show you how amazing it is. I love this foundation because it just looks like skin. You know, it's flawless, but it also doesn't look like you just got your face beat with makeup. I always do concealer after foundation because I feel like your foundation is like your base layer, and then you can just conceal where you need to. And I'm obsessed with this brush. It's technically an eyeshadow brush, but makeup artists never follow rules, so, you know, we just use what works. This color, Free, is beautiful. And I think because we're doing kind of a warmer, coppery eye, this just has like a little bit of peachiness to it, which is perfect. So I just love to kind of, I like to start right, it's almost like that corner of your cheekbone, that high point, and that's where I like to place my finger and then just kind of really press it in. And then I always like to put a little on the chin too.
I do as well. I put it up a little bit here. I don't know why, but I always like it when you have a little bit of glow here, because I think it just makes...
I like it.
There?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do cheeks. I chose kind of, these colors look pretty rich, right?
Yeah.
But we'll buff it out with the brush, and I think just it's all really nice and cohesive.
Yeah.
This color is called Let's Go Nude.
Let's go nude, okay.
This is a beautiful shade. It's kind of a mixture of a bronzer and contour in one. And then what I always like to bring it down the neck, just so it's all cohesive and matching. And this is a mineral rich powder. I tend to be more matte on my cheek color because if I don't, I feel like it makes my pores look bigger, kind of brings them out, and I'd rather hide that. So you want more of your shimmer with your highlight and then matte on your cheeks.
Yeah.
Gypsy, we're gonna do all over the eye. I like to use a really fluffy brush to start, just to kind of give a wash all the way around. It's a nice kind of peachy tone. It's matte, so we're gonna build a little shimmer over the top. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do Truth. Oh, I'm just gonna do it, and then you'll just have to like it.
Okay.
This color, Truth, is so beautiful. I wonder what I would describe it as. It's kind of a nice mauvey rose. And it's matte as well. I'm obsessed with this brush. I just love the shape of it. Look up for me. So I don't know if I'm gonna do too much dark underneath your eye, but I think just kind of as our base, doing the matching tone underneath is really nice. Pretty.
Wow, that color's so lovely.
I think so too.
It's good with my, it makes my eyes look green, right?
Yeah, I know, it totally changed the color.
Really, that's amazing.
Yeah, I love it. Then I'm thinking the Aura, and I want to pop it onto the center of your eye. So this is when I was talking about the texture changes. So we used a matte everywhere, and then we put the shimmer in the center. So that kind of just, when you move your eye around, yes. It really does it. It gives a really good dimension. So this is great for, you know, especially if you're going to out and you're talking to people or whatever, it kind of is that little flicker that catches people's eyes. I'm really into this color, Wild Child. And I'm just kind of pressing this around your lash line. I always like to basically meet the outer socket here where your crease kind of like draws your eye up a little bit, which we all want. We all want to elongate our eyes and make them a little bit more upward. Do you like how I make you do your own mascara?
I love doing my own mascara.
I feel like a mascara.
I also like to feel like I'm like a little bit part of the process. I get jealous.
And I think it's so personal. You know, like it's a silly thing, but we all know our eyelashes better than anyone else. And so if I can help it, I always like to have people do their own, unless they mess it up.
I always like to kind of like mess it up for you.
Yeah. You did such a good job.
Thank you.
I might not have a job anymore. So we were playing with this earlier. What do you think?
I like it.
I'm using the color Fire on you, which looks crazy on my hand, but we're gonna kind of diffuse it into your lip and make it a little more bitten. And this is a matte finish, and this has vitamin C and E, so it's really nourishing for your lips as well. And I prefer putting it on with my fingers because then it's more of a diffused look. So you can kind of go outside the lines a little bit, but it looks really natural. This looks so good on you.
Thank you, I love it.
Yeah, I hope you're gonna go do something fun.
No, we're just gonna hang out.
Yeah, I mean, really, that's what it's about, right? Putting on good makeup and then just hanging at the house. I love it.